Hey everyone, this is Kevin T. Rodriguez, film critic of iCritic.net. Thank you so much for spending. Whoa! Let's try this again. Hey everyone, this is Kevin T. Rodriguez, film critic of iCritic.net. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your time here with me today on my MUBI channel. Today we are going to be unboxing The Substance. Now this might surprise some of you because if you've been to my website, you may recall I didn't give this a high score. In fact, I gave it only 1 star. Now, if you read that review, you will see that that is one of the most conflicted 1 stars I've ever given a movie. I think this movie is actually brilliant until it gets to the last 25 minutes when the thing completely torpedoes and everything. But I bought this for a very unique reason. You see, even after I wrote that review and saw the movie and everything, the more I read about this movie, the more I kind of respected it. Like Coralie Farge, I believe that's how you pronounce her name, basically made this movie the way she wanted to make it. Universal, the original distributor, did not particularly like it. They wanted her to make changes. She would not compromise. And then other studios like A24 passed, where MUBI, the streaming service, who's kind of been doing really good at picking quality movies that are award worthy, decided to pick it up, and it became a surprise box office hit. Now it's nominated for 5 Oscars, including picture, director, and actress. And so, even though it's kind of like, well, look, why would you buy a movie that you technically don't like and you don't intend really to watch it again? I respect the process of this movie so much that it's like, you know what? I'm gonna buy it. I'm gonna buy it. Plus, if she wins Best Actress, then it's an Oscar winner, so I have to put it on my Oscar shelf. Now, this does not appear to have a digital copy, which means if it wins Best Actress, oh darn, I gotta buy it digitally for my little digital shelf again. This movie's getting a lot of money from me for something that I don't care for too much. But I like this image. I like how it really like the thing is this is a very good representation of what the movie is. It does have a horror element to it, the body swapping thing. So I wish that the mirror had been somewhere here and you could see like the younger version of Demi Moore's character, but that's not the case. Now, as you can see on the side, it has a top, but on this side, it doesn't. I kind of like how that means it wraps around. This is probably one of the best scenes in the movie. We have the description. I guess there's just a featurette. It highlights the Palme d'Or win in the corner. I personally think that should be on the front cover, but whatever. It's funny how the rating isn't full blown. This is a region BluRay, so everything's looking good. Now, if you take this off, it's very similar. It wraps around, but of course, there's nothing there on the side. So let's look and let's see if they do anything special with the disc, if there's a booklet. I mean, because MUBI is definitely a boutique label, and boutique labels, sometimes they put extra stuff in there, sometimes they don't. It just kind of depends. So let's see here. They've also released this at the right time because I think it came out like a couple days before the Oscar nomination, so they're going to sell a fair amount of discs. Let's open this up, and oh, this is cool. Okay, first of all, I like that there's an image on the disc. There's nothing behind that, but I love how they do that. That's really awesome. But I like how they put the serum there, and they're advertising their streaming service. Like, and you see, this shows that Netflix doesn't have to reject physical media. All of these physical medias, they can basically become like advertising for their streaming services. Like, hey, you like this? Well, you can get more stuff like that when you go to our streaming service. Yes, synergy. And then you're selling them the movie and you're getting them to sign up for your subscription service. I don't understand why it's so complicated. But anyway, so that's The Substance on Blu-ray. It's not a super deluxe edition or anything like that. It's it's a fairly simple design, and with only one feature, it's probably not gonna have a bunch of special features. But again, this movie was passed off from so many studios. It's almost kind of a miracle that it came out, and then that it's getting all these awards, that it got all this love, even if I personally wasn't one of them. That is one of the comeback stories of the Hollywood century that Hollywood loves to talk about. And I look forward to seeing what Farge directs next. I have no doubt she will make a movie that and again, I have to stress, this is a unique one-star movie for me because for a good 90 to 100 minutes, I think this is a good movie. And then it's that last 20 minutes that I have a problem with. So she already made a movie that I was very much enjoying. So anyway, that's my thoughts on all that. But I'm curious, do you have this? Do you like this movie? Are you going to buy it? What do you think of the featurette on there? I'd love to know. So comment below, and I'll see you at the movies. Take care.
Hey, you made it to the end. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Just a few more things. First of all, the names that you see on the screen, these are our Patreon and YouTube member supporters. And I thank each and every one of them. Their support helps me make exclusive videos for Patreon and YouTube members, as well as keep the channel running. And of course, is just of huge kindness to me. Also, don't forget to check out the iCritic-led podcast on Spotify, Apple, Google, Deezer, whatever podcasting service you listen to. It is there. We definitely want to see you there. And hey, there's also other videos that you can check out. So, check out these other channels, these other videos, especially that one. I think that's a really good one.